Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to
17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
So,
Okay, so we're going to do another breakfast this morning, and
it's called bubur ayam.
bubur ayam.
It's like a rice porridge with chicken on the top.
Okay,
But
all
now
right.
we're gonna make the chicken with bumbu kuning. I call it opor. Let's make opor with bumbu kuning. So, but today we're not going to use rice.
We're using oatmeal.
Yeah, we're using oatmeal.
Yes.
So let's cook the chicken first, and then
Okay.
we're gonna do the oatmeal.
Did you leave it on?
Okay.
All right.
Right.
So what are we going to do? Oil?
Coconut oil.
Oil.
Yeah.
More?
I think that's enough. Oh, put a little bit more.
Okay.
That's it.
There we go.
Then and then we're gonna put the chicken. See that?
Okay. Are we going to use all the chicken?
Yeah. Let's use two. Yeah, we slice the chicken so it's cooked
Already?
faster. We have some
I'll turn down the heat a little bit. So guys, if you haven't used coconut oil before and you're used to just using olive oil or vegetable oil, I certainly suggest trying it, because just the fact that it's coconut oil, it really adds a nice flavor to whatever you're cooking.
dump the onion there.
Okay. And you'll also notice we are making kind of non-traditional types of breakfast meals, because in Indonesia it's not about eggs and bacon and toast all the
Yes.
time. So they really incorporate some very interesting dishes, I guess you could say, for breakfast.
Okay. Red pepper. And then I'm gonna put lime leaf, pepper lime again. This pepper kind of dry, but it's okay. They smell good.
So for some reason, every time we do a video, the cats like to come and watch.
Of course, the smell will attract them.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get bumbu kuning.
Go for it.
So, let's do 3 spoons.
Go for it.
Oh, let's do 3.5.
2.5, and we'll try it. We'll taste it.
Coconut milk.
Of course, a little coconut milk to give us some liquid, but also a little bit of that coconutty flavor, and it really is awesome.
Yeah, let them
Smells
cook and
really
simmer.
good.
And put your gluten-free chicken base.
So just to add a little bit of salt flavor. If you're like me, I like anything with sauces or liquid. This is going to be really good when we pour it over the oatmeal that we're gonna that we have made already inside in the kitchen.
Peanuts that we're gonna put, we have white sesame, and then we have the green onion that we're gonna put on the top.
All right, so what do you call this dish?
We call it opor ayam on the top of the oatmeal. It's not rice porridge, but oatmeal. It's something new. So good.
So all these little videos and dishes we're doing, even though they're more geared towards some of the
Just leave it there. Yeah.
dishes of the U.S. here, just the smells really take me back to being in Indonesia.
No, because
And I miss it. We haven't been there in 2.5 years. We are planning to go this year in September. hopefully that still happens because we eat our way through a trip when we go there. So everything we do is geared around food. The sidewalks are lined with people selling food, and it is absolutely the most amazing food that I've ever had in my life. So fast forward, that's why we're here today.
Or do you want to? It's okay. I'm gonna put the onion, and then we're gonna put onion later too.
Okay, fine.
Onion, honey. We're gonna put some.
Oh wow. This is going to be really good, guys. I mean, certainly if you're going to use a soy, use a sweet soy like the Indonesian style, not a salty soy at all.
I'm just going to put a lot of it because we're going to put later. Okay. So taste now. Change the taste.
Oh wow, it did.
Change the taste.
Yeah, it did. So guys, again, this is a 5-minute meal, 6 minutes. We're using oatmeal that you can easily do in a microwave and make it really quick.
Yeah.
So
oatmeal already?
Yes.
Oh, it's hot.
And this is really simmered down really nicely.
Yeah.
And it's got nice and thick.
Yeah, like this. Okay.
Can't get any better than this.
You can do like this a little bit. I need that liquid.
Yeah.
Okay. And you put this.
Put a little bit more shallots on it.
Not shallot, it's scallion.
Scallions, yes.
Scallion.
Put some peanuts. We roast these in the restaurant, so they're nice and fresh, and it smells really nice when we're cooking them there.
And then it's roasted, how you call this? White sesame.
White sesame.
Roasted white sesame. Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot the chips, so we want to get that crunchiness.
Okay,
let me go back.
We're really excited to have this morning, and I'm gonna steal a piece of it.
Don't forget your sambal.
Oh yeah, my combo.
Okay, and then we put chips there, or you can just crunch the chips, put it like that. So because we want that crunchiness texture, because the thing is very...
Yeah. Alright, do you want a spoon? Yeah. Because I'm getting ready to start.
Okay.
Everything.
I
think I got a peanut. Yeah, I'm going to try it first with that.
I'll grab it.
Guys, I'm telling you, I'm not a... I've never been a huge fan of oatmeal because to me it's just got a bland flavor, but doing something like this, oatmeal is very good for you, and but doing something like this is just, I don't mind oatmeal.
Something different. What about the spiciness?
And of course, adding a little sambal to anything is incredible. Wow, this is really good. I never would have thought. Damn. This, guys, is incredible. Again, I mean, with the unique flavors of just Indonesian food in general, the options are endless. I mean, there's so many flavors,
You just have
and
to
then
be,
just combining them
Yeah, you have to
together
be-
is just
well,
wow. With everyday dishes here in the States, it's incredible. And something as crazy as just adding potato chips to it really adds a fun little crunch to it. But and people might ask why we named our brand this 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Just a quick little history lesson. Indonesia is made up of 17,000 islands. Not all are inhabited, about 14,000. That's a lot. But the idea behind what we're doing is that you could literally have a new and unique flavor by island, and so so you'd never ever be able in an entire lifetime possibly try all the flavors that the islands have.
you're gonna spend like more than 50 years. You wanna spend one night in every island, so you better start when you are like 10 years old or 15 years old.
Yeah, and that's one day per island,
Yeah.
which is probably impossible.
Oh my god.
But
Yeah.
this is just incredible, incredible breakfast.
Sambal.
We're not kidding when we say whatever's in your kitchen, because it's so hard to go wrong. You know, the flavors are just incredible, and they just go with so many different things.
Alright then. Well, we finished this oatmeal porridge with opor ayam.
Check your cabinet, see what you've got,
Yes.
and come up with your own creation and order our seasonings. You can't go wrong. So, like our video,
Share.
subscribe to our
Share.
channel please, and share these ideas and share your ideas with your friends and family.
Yes.
And we hope to see you soon again when we do another creative video with our different seasonings.
Yeah. So remember,
Thank you. Make the world tastier
with
with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.